Hi, this is Gloria Carell with My Florida Dreams. We're at 8107 Buena Vista Way, South, and this is a beautiful home. We're just going to be putting on the market, asking price at $26,995. It has a split floor plan, and now we'll take you through it. This is the room you walk into. It could be an office, it could be a sitting area, it could be anything you want it to be. Now we're going to go to the left and we're going to go into the guest bedroom. This is carpeted with a nice ceiling fan, beautiful windows, nice sized closet. Coming out and to the left of the bedroom is the guest bathroom. The floors have been redone with 3/4 inch plywood underneath. We have the vaulted ceilings. This is the dining room area with the beautiful built-in. Okay, now we're going to go into the kitchen, which has been updated with custom-made cabinets. There's a little desk area on the other side of the kitchen here. You could even bring a washer and dryer in if you'd like, or use it for storage. There's a nice pantry closet there too. In the kitchen, we also have this cute little 4 spices in between the stove and the dishwasher. This home has 2 sheds, the one that's attached to the home, and then there's a vinyl shed on a cement slab with a lifetime warranty. This is the living room. Good and spacious. Now we're going out to the Lanai, which is right off of the living room here. It's carpeted with Berber. Nice windows and blinds. We'll go into the master bedroom, which is at the other end of the house. This room has 2 closets, one very large one and another very nice sized one. Master bath, nice and spacious. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon. If if you would be interested in seeing this home, you can contact me at 570-854-6424. Thank you.